how to add an away message on WhatsApp business. Ladies and gentlemen, you just want to go on your WhatsApp chat, open where you see the three dots and click on settings. When you click on settings, you're going to find business tools, and then you can see profile catalog, messaging tools, and that's where you want to click, because it is, it's about to do with the profile and stuff like that. Okay, like you want to get that message, or if someone sends you a message that they've taken long, or it's their first time in your inbox, they'll get that message, customized message that tells them what you have or your services and stuff like that. So greeting message or away message or quick replies or labels. Okay, so you want to click on greeting message to welcome new customers automatically, like that message that says, hey, thanks for contacting Atutaka Solutions and stuff like that. You have to make sure you've turned on the send greeting message. Okay, and if you make any edits or any changes, you have to save. And yeah, as you can see, who receives your greeting message? Is it everyone? Is it everyone not in address book? Is it everyone except, or send to only a selected few people? Okay, so again, you want to turn on, you want to make sure the option is turned on for that welcome message or greeting message. So I'm just going to edit mine right here that I already have, and I'm just going to add number 6. I'm going to add something else, some other service that I offer. And yeah, so whenever someone sends you a message, it's been long, so you choose, as you see, if it's the new contact or what. But for me, I just left it whether you're a contact or no. Yeah, because as long as you've taken long without sending me a message, once you send, they're going to send you this. It's automatic. You receive this greeting message. Okay, and then you'll choose what service that you are here for. Usually, yeah, if it's a normal chat, then definitely, of course, I know this contact is, this is not a new person. Yeah, okay. So again, ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do that. Turn on that bell notification icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And then give this video a like, and consider to share it to people that you feel it could be of help. Okay, and then there's a Telegram channel in the link in the description of each of my videos. If you have any further questions, you could always reach out. If I can help, if I cannot help, I can refer you to somewhere else, or someone else who can help you depending on what you need. Okay, so now, as you can see, I've added number 6, that is work abroad. And if you want to find work abroad, if you want to go and find greener pastures, maybe you're in Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, Ghana, Nigeria, and you want to find work maybe in UAE, Qatar, Bahrain, US, UK, whatever your choice of country is. I don't know where I should leave this information, but contact me on Telegram, and I'll forward you to the right place for you to find out everything that you need to know, the salaries and everything like that. So as you can see, I sent myself a message using the other number, or the work number. So when I sent a message, hi there, this was automatic, and now this is now the business account. As you can see, I've received a message from work, and you can see I had this. So I sent 6, and then just to show you, to illustrate, me, I'm team illustration. Yeah, so this is how it appears and everything like that. You can always edit back and forth to see what suits you. And yeah, WhatsApp business is a great way for marketing your skills and services and anything that you have, because they have a catalog. You can boost, you can advertise, you can do everything here. So technology, kudos to you, and let's use it in the correct way. Yeah, to make life better and easier. Don't abuse technology, don't do cyber abuse, don't do nothing. Okay, always use things the right way. And God will bless you. I hope you like this video. What else have I forgotten to say? Yes, I think I already mentioned about the Telegram. Some of you be like, how can we reach you directly? What? Telegram. Direct. You join Atutaka Solutions official channel, then you can message me through there. That's when I can know you authentically also. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.